Hello everyone, today we will introduce the Define Style function of the LiDAR 360 MLS plugin in CAD. This function allows you to define the selected entity in the CAD window as a style. After setting the style name, it can be saved as a style file in a system-specified folder. Click the Define Style button, and the system log will prompt. Please select Entity and press Enter to end. Select the entity to be defined as the style, then press Enter or right-click the mouse. In the pop-up Define Style window, set the style name and click OK to confirm. You can combine multiple entities into a block to create a style file. You can view the defined styles through the Manage Style function. You can also replace an existing defined style with a new one. For example, for a style named symbolblock_4, first select the new entity to be used, then choose the style to be replaced in the name field, and click the Update button. This concludes the introduction of the Define Style function. Thank you for watching.